Ever wonder what an earthquake is? Picture this. The Earth's crust is like a giant jigsaw puzzle, made up of tectonic plates. When these plates shift, bang, or grind against each other, energy is released. That's an earthquake for you. Now, think about a pebble falling into a pond. The ripples spreading out, that's like seismic waves rippling through the earth. Some are slow and rolling, others fast and jarring. And the epicenter, that's where the pebble hit, where the earthquake starts underground. The spot directly above it on the surface, that's the hypocenter. Don't forget, the earth is always moving, plates shifting, energy releasing, so stay prepared, stay safe, and keep learning. That's your 60-second snippet on earthquakes. Loop around if you need another go.